Hey guys, I'm Kyle with the Drafting Room, where we handle all the garage and home designs for all the solutions that we offer here at Obsessed Garage. Today we're talking about the Sonic Tools MSS Plus wall cabinet. This is the 890 millimeter. There's a 720 millimeter, and then there's a 820 millimeter that goes above the left side of the 1540 cabinet. This one is, like I said, this is the 890, so it's got a ton of capacity. You know, decently deep. I think they're like 11, 12 inches deep. So you have a decent capacity going back, but not so much that like you're gonna have to start moving stuff out of the way to find what's in the cabinet, which I like, that you don't have to do. They are pretty high, so I'm 5'8", so it's not a problem for me to reach up and grab the top. Most people are taller than me, so it's not an issue, but you've got a lot of height to be able to work with. So you can really store a lot of stuff. These are great for bottles. As you can see, chargers. We've got, the power bar bracket inside, which does allow us to have a power bar in here. And then we've got grommets in the back that allow you to run your wires behind. One of the things that we like to do when we're speccing these out is you would want to put your outlet behind this cabinet, probably like, an inch or two below. That way you have access from the top and you can jump up on the countertop, plug things in, whatever you need to do. When you're setting up the cabinets, it makes it a little easier. So you've got the grommet over there that goes into the back. You've got the grommet that is a pass-through underneath. So you can see how we have our under cabinet lighting ran through that and then plugged in. Actually, I think we have it plugged into the wall, but you could plug it into the, the power bar is how we usually tell people to do it. The way these work is you want to have a back panel underneath, and these actually mount to the posts themselves, not to the back panel. So you have to have the tall posts, and then they mount to that with the screws. Pretty easy with the keyholes to just kind of hook it on there. And then you could mount it to the wall if you wanted to as well. You lose a little functionality with wire management and stuff like that, but with the back panel system, it really makes it pretty easy. So if you're doing a cabinet array, like you're gonna have several of these in your system, so it's definitely a good item to have.